Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Verizon app not working on your smart TV or Fire Stick.
Fix 1. Restart your device. Step 1. Turn off your smart TV or Fire Stick. Step 2. Unplug it from the power source. Step 3. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 4. Open the Verizon app and check if it works. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your TV or Fire Stick is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Test the internet by opening YouTube or another app. Step 3. If it's slow or not working, restart your router. Fix 3. Update the Verizon app. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Amazon App Store on your device. Step 2. Search for the Verizon app. Step 3. If you see Update, select it and wait for installation. Fix 4. Clear app cache and data on Fire Stick. Step 1. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Step 2. Select Verizon app, clear cache, clear data. Step 3. Reopen the app on Smart TV. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Verizon app. Step 2. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data.